Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to apply an overpayment to an invoice in Xero. This is incredibly useful when a customer pays more than what's due on their invoice, and you need to properly reconcile that excess amount in your accounting system. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're there, log into your Xero account using your email and password. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access bank reconciliation features, as this process requires that level of access. After logging in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. From here, locate the accounting menu at the top right part of your screen, click on it, and a drop-down selection will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Bank Accounts. This section is where all your financial transactions flow through, making it the perfect place to handle overpayments. You'll now be directed to a page showing all your linked bank accounts on your Xero account. Look through the list and click on the bank account that's associated with the overpayment you need to handle. This ensures you're working with the correct financial data and matching transactions to the right account. Once you click on the account, you'll be directed to that bank's transaction page. Here you can see all the transactions listed chronologically. From the top side menu, locate and click on Reconcile. This is the heart of Xero's matching system, where you'll connect your bank transactions with your invoices and other accounting records. This reconciliation area is where transactions get matched between incoming and outgoing payments. Scroll down through the list and look for the overpaid item or transaction. Once you've located it, shift your attention to the right side pane of your screen and click on Match. This initiates the process of linking this bank transaction to your accounting records. A detailed itemized window will appear showing potential matches. From here, select the transaction you overpaid with by clicking on the checkbox next to it. This tells Xero which invoice or payment you're referring to and allows the system to calculate the difference between what was owed and what was actually paid. You'll notice that this transaction will move to the next section called View Your Selected Transactions. On the top right part of this section, click on the New Transaction dropdown, then choose Spend Money. This might seem counterintuitive, but this is how Xero processes the overpayment allocation properly. Under the Spent Ash section, click the Direct Payment dropdown and choose Overpayment. You'll see that the transaction window will adjust and reduce to show only the relevant fields. This step is crucial because it properly categorizes the excess amount as an overpayment rather than a regular expense or unmatched transaction. Finally, click on Save Transaction to tag this item as an overpayment. The excess amount is now properly recorded in your system and can be applied to future invoices or refunded to the customer. And there you have it. You've successfully applied an overpayment to an invoice in Xero, keeping your books accurate and organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.